I've been going insane, Susanna.
Everybody's up now. Did Rosie put her sweater on you?
Yep.
Are you awake now? Are you awake now? Twins are awake too. They're just having their morning cup of milk, chilling out, doing the wake up thing. It's Saturday morning, so we get to just take it slow and easy, huh?
Look, Mom.
You got it. What's that?
Yeah.
It's a shirt, but what's on your shirt? What's that?
Okay.
A cake, a cupcake.
And
Yeah. Yeah, Mommy wants to change out of her jammies.
Don't leave just yet, or Susanna. There is no one more beautiful than you, my love. Sometimes fast.
What happened to your glasses?
They're broken.
Yeah, her glasses are broken, so now I gotta get online and order her new frames. Luckily, the lenses easily pop out and into the new frames, but I gotta take care of that. I'm gonna make some bread. Do you guys want some homemade bread?
Yeah.
You
ugly.
want some of Mama's homemade bread?
Yep. Mom and
Are you giving her bunny ears?
me and that bunny.
I want a little something to eat. Is that good? That other tooth is trying to come through, huh? That top one is just barely, like it's got a little dot of red. It's trying to come through, huh? Yeah. Lou's having some oatmeal. Rosie had some cereal for breakfast, and I am going to, well, I'm gonna get myself dressed a little bit, and then I'm going to get us some homemade bread going in the Dutch oven. Some sourdough bread. Sound good?
Cool, Mom.
Yeah, let's do it.
Or crawl just to get back to where you are. I'll fight for you, 'cause I'm ready to be the man that you want me to. Or to.
Ivy's got her jean jacket on. You got your shoes on. Whoops. There goes my AirPod. Are you ready? Gonna go play outside for a little bit? Millie, we need to get your shoes. Millie's got her jean jacket. Benji's got his dinos. Those are sandals. It's a little chilly. Did you see her other? Oh, she doesn't like those anymore. They're too tight on her feet. I'll just do these. All right, let's put your sandals on.
There is no one more beautiful than you, my love. So I'm driving fast down Oak Hill Road, trying to get to you before you go.
Hello. I feel like this is the first time I've actually talked to the camera today. The kids are all playing outside right now. It's a little chilly today actually, so we have to do coats and all that kind of stuff. But the twins are jumping on the trampoline, and he was crawling around fussing, so I put him in the carrier and he fell asleep almost instantly. So I might see if I can go lay him down now. And then I am going to make some bread in the Dutch oven. I bought a Dutch oven, and I found some recipes online for being able to use the quick rising yeast, and it's 4 ingredients, and it's you don't have to knead it or do anything special to it. You just mix it up, put it in the Dutch oven, and then with this recipe, with the fast rising yeast, you just have to let it sit on the counter for 2 hours, and then you can cook it. So what I'm gonna do is get that going and all set up so it can go on the counter, feed the kids lunch, and then we might go run errands. I don't know. That we're finally out of quarantine. Quarantine ended yesterday. However, most things still aren't open as usual and stuff, so there's not really anywhere to go. We were gonna go to the bookstore because I wanted to see, now that my book is out, if I could find it at Barnes & Noble or one of those places. I was gonna go and sign it because they let authors come in and you can sign the books, and they'll put a sticker on it that says autographed by the author. So I was gonna go do that, but I don't think any of the Barnes & Noble locations are open yet on the inside, so that bums me out. But we'll figure it out. Let me see if I can lay this little Gubenheimer down, and then I will start making my bread. What happened? You just went outside. Let me see. What happened? What happened?
She went down the slide and I didn't know there was a puddle.
All right, let me go get some clean pants.
Peace, be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know.
Be still, my darling. All is well, my darling. Your anxious heart may as well be stone. Oh, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Yeah, it weighs you down deeper than you know. Oh, darling, don't be scared of time changing us both. Death will leave our bodies, but it'll never touch my soul. If you are afraid, the heavens don't let go. 'Cause darling, I will stay as we grow.
All right, we've got a ton of leftovers, so we are probably gonna do leftovers for lunch. I was gonna make chicken salad, but there's just so much in here that needs to be eaten, so we're gonna do that. All right, Miss Millie Boo's having some leftover spaghetti carbonara. Rosie's having some leftover chicken and pasta. Ivy is currently boycotting eating at the moment. Are you sure? Would you like some chicken and pasta? Well, she's gnawing on that graham cracker. How about some carbonara?
Crunching noise and cheese. She's silent with it. Ah! Now it's making noise, but earlier it wasn't.
How about some carbonara?
Mama loves me.
That's cute. That's real cute. And the boys are in here eating their bowls of carbonara. Are you guys done with your lunch?
Had a conversation about that.
You're having a conversation about what? All right, we have wrapped up lunch. Benji man, I just tried to feed him, but he wasn't quite hungry yet. Are you excited? Are you excited? You're such a good mood. All right, everybody's pulling themselves together, getting a little lotion and all of that jazz. I'm gonna go find myself a little jacket, grab my bag, make sure I have baby bottles and milk and all of the things. And then we're gonna go hop in the car and let the little ones take a little bit of a nap while, did I just see somebody walking in my backyard? Nope, that was really weird. I legit thought I saw somebody walking in the backyard. It must have been a ghost. Anyways, I'm gonna let the little kids take a little bit of a nap, and we're going to go get a little treat and listen to our audiobook that we want to finish. We have a family audiobook that we've been listening to, and oh, sorry, this is like crazy crooked. And we want to finish it. So we're gonna let the twins nap, get a little treat, and finish listening to our audiobook. Cozy Saturday in
I'll be right back home.
700 years later, we are locked and loaded in the vehicle. We got everybody, got our audiobook queued up, and we are hitting the road for a little bit. Calmer, quieter, sort of. All right, we are home. Now I'm going to preheat the oven and get my bread in. It doesn't rise a ton. We'll see. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what I'm doing. This recipe says that you are supposed to put the Dutch oven itself in the oven for 30 minutes and let it get hot, then take it out, put the bread in, and put them in together. So that's what I'm gonna do. This could be a disaster. Good thing it was only a few ingredients and easy to make. I know, well listen, you gotta try things, okay? Sometimes when you try things, they don't go how you've planned. So when you're me, happens a lot. got them a couple of things. Did you wake up from your nap?
Are these their clothes?
Are you up from your nap?
I'm gonna slip behind
You
her
want to see your outfits?
Can I walk?
I got them just a couple of things that were on sale at June and January. Okay, hold on. That's only for sleeping. You gonna go back to sleep? The sizing is
So pretty.
It's not that
okay.
bad. Is it too small or too big?
No, it's a little small actually. I've never ordered any clothes from this brand before.
But it's so
And they said, I thought they had them listed as like a 2 to 3T. Hold on, babe, hold on. It's cute. They're just gonna have to wear little shorts under them, which is fine. I usually do that with the kids anyways, but that's cute. And then,
I like how they puff out on the sides like this. How they get like room.
yeah, they're like for spinning. And then look at this little outfit that I got for Benji. Benjamin! Oh, look at what I got for you, Benjamin. It's gonna look like a frog. It's gonna look like a little frog. It's like a little one-piece thing. I just love it.
How is that
A
gonna
little
fit?
big.
It just, you slide it. That's what I like about these things. There's no buttons. There's nothing. You just slide them on, pull them down to change your diaper, pull them back up. So it's actually like an easy.
Isn't that huge?
No, you'll be surprised once it went. Look at him. He's a beastly bulging man. He's a beastly bulging man. Look at him. Look at him. He's a beastly bulging man.
Can you wear these tomorrow? These are so cute.
Jimmy, Mom, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Jimmy.
Can they wear these tomorrow? These are adorable.
We'll see. We'll see.
See how cute.
You see yourself, Benjamin?
Up out. These are so
Oh,
cute.
look it.
It will be a little Kermit the Frog, Mom.
What? That's a frog.
It's not a frog.
Darling, don't be scared. The time changing us both. Never leave our bodies, but it'll never touch my soul.
Some more exciting mail came. These are my favorite shoes that I get for the twins, and I shared this in my twin must-have, this brand. Their Angel is the brand. And hang on. Oh, did you bonk your noodle? Come here. You're okay. You're okay. But yeah, so the twins outgrew their shoes, so I had to get them new ones, and I got them gold this time instead of the mustard again, but this one is gonna have the first piece of the bread and tell us if it's any good. Lie if it's not, okay?
Okay.
Just kidding, don't lie.
I already know to do that.
Go. Is it good? Are you just saying that?
It's not
How do I-
better than Pita's, but it's good.
It's not better than whose?
Pita's.
Oh, for Pete's sake. Get out of here, child. You're not gonna put anything on it?
I'm gonna put butter on it.
You guys wanna go outside and play? Come on, Millie. Oh, good job. Try not to get muddy. I think I will. Well, I might want to be in the sun because it's a little chilly. Yay! Look at your hair! Look at your hair! Alright, my big girls are in the backyard playing with the twins on the trampoline. The boys are in the front yard climbing a tree currently, about 25 feet in the air. And Benjamin is drinking a bottle, and I'm gonna get my coffee. And I got my AirPods in. I'm gonna listen to a little bit of another book that I've been listening to. I kind of alternate between a few books, but I just got done cleaning up Benji's mess. That is one of the unfortunate side effects from doing baby-led weaning, is that it's very, very messy. And so it takes a few minutes to clean up him and his high chair and all of that after he eats. But got it all cleaned up. He is resting, and I'm going to take a break for a minute. All the girls are all in the backyard and the boys are in the front yard. That does look good. Yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna go sit down and eat that as my snack. I just realized that I'm not sure that I actually mentioned that Christopher's not here today. He was taking a class from 8 to 5, so he left at 7:30. I don't know when exactly he will be home, but we are pizzaing it up tonight for dinner. So pizza just arrived. Kids are still climbing a tree out front, most of them. I've got a few in here. We're watching a little Wreck-It Ralph. I almost had Benjamin asleep, but then the pizza man knocked on the door and the dogs started barking, and when the dogs started barking, he woke up. So I'm gonna do pizza. It's gonna be simple, easy, and then we will start the nighttime hullabaloo. You know, it's 5:20 and I usually start the nighttime routine right after dinner. So if you want to see our nighttime routine, I will link that down below. If you want to see kind of what the typical nighttime routine is like. You can definitely check that out down below. At some point I will film a new morning routine as well. But for now, this is just kind of, you know, a weekend. We don't have to do school today. Dad was not home all day today, so we just kind of had a sort of laid back and chill Saturday. So it was fun, it was a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this type of video and you want to see more, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. But I think I'm gonna serve up these kids some pizza. You want some pizza? And yeah. And then, okay, hold on. You want some more ice in there? Okay, I'm gonna serve these kids up some dinner and get everybody heading towards the nighttime routine. But that's it, guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you again very soon.